Page 34, The Happy Farmer, is another very well-known melody from the same group of pieces, that Opus 68 by Schumann. It's a fun piece and a very tricky piece, so let's look it over. 2 pages long, treble, bass, clef, 1 flat in the key signature. This is in the key of F major, so do the scales and arpeggios for F major and D minor. 4/4 time, we have a pickup beat in the left hand, but I want to do the right hand first. We have the chords. We got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 1. Just the primary chords. 1, 2, okay. Go down to pick up to measure 9. Now the right hand gets melody also. Both hands get melody. 1, hold that down. And then 5. I don't like that. I'm just going to do a 3, 4, or 4, 3, because I can reach that. That's why. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If you can reach it. If you can't reach that, then you'll have to do the 5 both. I want to connect this. But if your hand's big enough, then it's 4th. And then come up, you can't connect it because of the chord, you just lift up. Now measure 12. Ah, here's the goodie. It's so tricky because you got the melody and the chords on the ends. So it's 1, 2, you can't connect it. Can you do that? 1. You get that down below a measure 18 also. Left hand's the melody. 1, see I'm in this position. It's an extended F chord position. And 1 and 2 and 3, and it claps. And there's 2. I'd rather not. I'm going to lift up for the phrase eventually, but I like to connect it with the hands. So I just do a 5 and then a 2. Then if you can, they say slide off. And that's fun, and you can do that, but it's a little dangerous. And if you don't need to, you can do a 2 1 or 1 2. Basically what it is. Let's go down to measure 9. 1 and 2. Hold that down. We're going to help the right hand out with the chords. That's basically what we're done. Put the hands together. What could possibly go wrong here? Here. See, this is why in the second full measure in the right hand, you don't have the chord twice. You only get this. That's because the left hand's playing the note. Get the idea. Now let's go down to the fun part. Pick up to measure 9. The melody's actually in the right hand. The left hand has a kind of a counter melody or harmony to it, because this, that's not melody. This is. So but they're both connected. Now they're both melody. Now I can't connect this, but you can that. Now here, this is measure 12. Here. Real slow. Here. Was that not slow? Oh, boy. I thought it was slow. Here. Just play it really super slow and then gradually speed it up over months, whatever. It is a tricky piece to play, huh? It appears to be in a lot of the repertoire and some of the method books, but this is getting to be a little more challenging music now. When it's played really, really super well, it actually sounds quite easy, but it's not easy. Now, once I have the notes and the rhythms and all, I'll go back over slowly, just a measure or two at a time, and I'll work out the hesitations. Focus mostly on the parts that you're hesitating. Don't keep playing at all. Like this beginning. Once you can play that okay, maybe not that fast, but okay, don't keep playing it. Put it aside. Focus on the parts you can't play and get those down. Maybe you start working at the parts that are the most difficult and iron those out first, and then go to the next most difficult and iron that out, and gradually work your way back to the easy part, and then get it all. You'll learn it much more quickly. Then once the hesitations are gone, I think about the articulation. You connect the phrase. Connect. Measure 9. Here, the chords you just play them. But pick up the measure. Here, connect accent. Here. And now, measure 10. You got the slur and you got the staccatos. Well, it's a portato. You're going to separate the notes, but not short. Accent. Just separate them. Get the idea. You don't have to play it that fast, of course. But the idea is the slurs and the portatos and the accents. And then the dynamics. Melody. Here, loud. Soft. Pick up to measure 9. You're sort of loud. Here. This, soft. And then pick up to measure 11, you're loud. Here. Both hands. Still loud in the melody. Come down. You get the dynamics. Then speed is brisk and happy, which is sort of what I've been already doing. It shortens the video if I play a little quicker. But this is a happy piece, so until it can sound happy, keep it down, keep it slow. Brisk, good luck with that. I need more coffee, but remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents. Now they've indicated pedaling at the top of page 35 here. This is sort of the climax. You're loud here and also measure 17 and all. In my opinion, you don't need it. Just leave the pedal out. It's fine without it. You can't connect this, unfortunately. So the way it's written, you can't connect it. However, if you would adjust it slightly, you could connect this melody. And that is simply in measure 11 here. Rather than these notes, play them in the left hand. The left hand isn't doing anything, it's just there. They're ready. You can play them there. This way, you can finger this here, and you can connect it. You can connect the melody. And that's what I would recommend you do. Just don't use the pedal, but change that and play in measure 11. Play those in the left hand. And the same thing in measure 17. Play them in the left hand. Other people would disagree with that, but we disagree with everything anyway, so what's the difference? But that's how I would do it, and that's how I would have you do it if you were my student.